Hello doctors, today we'll learn on topic on maturation, the notes, what are its important points to be covered in exam. Here there are two sphincters in urethral, internal and external, and how do you classify? And internal, it lies between your neck of bladder and upper end of urethra, as it is get innervated by your ANS, an autonomic nervous system, and it is made of smooth muscles, and externally it is located in urogenital diaphragm made of skeletal muscles innervated by your somatic nervous system. When coming into its sympathetic nerve supply, there are preganglionic fibers of sympathetic nerves which getting arise from the L1 and L2, that is from your lumbar, and passing without any synapse in the sympathetic ganglion, and finally terminate in the hypogastric ganglion, and your postganglionic fibers arising from the ganglion of hypogastric nerves, which getting supplies to the main important muscle is the detrusor and internal sphincters. And the function: relaxation of detrusor muscle, contraction of your internal sphincters, filling of urinary bladder. See, in this picture you can see the nerve supply, your main detrusor muscle and the nerve surrounding the urinary bladder for the maturation. And parasympathetic nerve supply, there are preganglionic fibers of parasympathetic nerves from pelvic nerves, that is your S2, S3, S4. As you can see in this picture, S2, S3, S4, that is your parasympathetic nerve supply, and passes through a hypogastric ganglion and getting synapse with the postganglionic fibers, which are getting situated in the bladder and internal sphincter. And the function: contraction of your detrusor muscle, relaxation of internal sphincter, emptying of urinary bladder. And the next topic is maturation, and how you present the maturation in very short notes without getting any distraction or disturbed. Like, it is a flow chart you can write in exam. Maturation, it is a urine is avoided from the urinary bladder and it has a reflex process. And the pathway for the maturation reflex: when the bladder is getting filling up, then definitely you will get some response to your brain message and getting some stimulation of your stretch receptors. It passes from the afferent impulses via the pelvic, and from pelvic it enters into the sacral segments of your spinal cord, and there will be an efferent impulses passes via pelvic nerve, and from efferent impulses they will be getting some contraction of your main muscle, that is your detrusor. It is a main muscle, and relaxation of your internal urethral sphincters. And from there, the flow of urine in bladder by stretching the receptors. Then the afferent impulses via pelvic nerve, it will be an inhibition of from your pudendal nerve, and as well as there will be a relaxation of external sphincter so that you can pass the urine out, that is the voiding of urine. So in this, there are some of the centers of maturation getting passage to the brain. And what are their centers? One, there is inhibitory, and one is there is facilitatory centers. Your inhibitory centers are your midbrain and cerebral cortex, and your facilitated centers are your centers in pons and cerebral cortex. So these are your higher centers of maturation. Your nerve supply, sympathetic, parasympathetic, and its maturation, its pathway, and the centers of maturation. So these are the points covering in maturation. Thanks for watching SPN.